Tragic scene of Palestine is unbearable. Every single day, people are dying, children are dying, and schools are being destroyed, hospitals are being destroyed, and the world does absolutely nothing. And some Arab nation, they also do not take any step to protect Palestine, to protect the people of Palestine. So they are playing the role of spectators, like spectators. So it's not just about Palestine, it's about humanity, it's about justice. So shame on their work, shame on their activities. So the people of every single country get together to protect our people of Palestine, to protect our brother, because they are suffering, they are struggling. So may Allah protect Palestine, the people of Palestine. So this message is for all the leaders, of all politicians, all the prime minister, all the king general, every single. Please, free Palestine.